Yo man, how you doing? In this video, I'm gonna do a quick little trade recap, a little bit different compared to the normal videos that we do, right? You know, there's the first the live trade, etc. Today I didn't record. I was actually live trading in front of my students, so I couldn't do that. But I took a trade, and now I'm gonna do a recap so you can learn from this one. So let's just hop into the charts real quick. And as you can see, today I de-risked for the simple fact. Let me put the music down a little bit. Okay, so today I de-risked for the day for the simple fact that, first of all, no news Friday. Also, the pre-market was kind of chop, right? Very chop. And I'm in a very good winning streak. So I don't need to go crazy, right? Most people, when they get into a winning streak, they go crazy. They get super overly confident, right? But today, I took a very nice trade, scalp trade, 1.5 reshort ratio. Look at this. Session opens at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard, right? We pretty much we're bullish in the 1 hour time frame. As you can see, the last time we broke structure was to the upside, right? Then we go to the 30 minutes, chop as shit. This is also why I de-risked. If you look at my past trades, 2K, 2,000, 2,000, 1,000, 3,000. So this is a low risk, but still, I'm not complaining, guys. 30 minutes chop, pretty decent. But if you go to the 50 minutes, session opens, we swept this low and then we swept this high. So chop, okay, it's taking everything, right? Liquidating both sides. But then, since we took out some highs from here, right? We pushed down the price, sellers entered the market, bang, we took out 1 hour time frame high, right? What is that? Huge liquidity sweep. Now I'm in the call, right, with my students, right? I'm like, okay, there's two things that can happen. Two things. Either the market movers, they're gonna do this, do a fake out, push price up, and then continue the cycle. If it would have breaking below and continued the cycle to the downside, I would have shorted the markets. However, it didn't do that. We always have to read the charts. That's the key. Most people just do blind shit. Okay, they do not actually analyze and read the charts. We can clearly see that we immediately get this push up, buyers are in their markets. Then we retrace a little bit. I was like, okay, if we break structure once, that's key. Broke structure once, broke above this high. Also, simultaneously, we disrespect this fair value gap that literally shows us that, okay, we are disrespecting the selling opportunity and we're also respecting the buying opportunity. So that's one break structure. Now we have our higher highs right here. What happens? Higher lows, higher highs. Broke structure the second time. What is that? That's my famous Adriel cash MSS, which is liquidity sweep and two break structures. Bang, bang, bang. Why? Because that allows us to see that trend movement. And then I was like, there was one liquidity around here, but I was like, okay, let me get a scalp trade, low risk, and I'm gonna target this high. I could have targeted this high. As you can see, it's getting respected soon. But I was like, it's Friday. I'm already in a good winning streak. I'm going to take this scalp trade 1.5. And yeah, so I called this out. I'm in the call with the students. And I'm like, okay, guys, looking like an MSS. Bang, it's an MSS. I'm going to buy the markets straight on the money. They took it. Who took it? And I took it. And beautiful trade. And as you can see, this is a very, very nice way to end the week. Good winning streak, good money. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. And if you also want to live trade with me, get one-on-one coaching, mentorship, then click the first link in the description. It will take you to that. All right. As usual, I'll see you on the other side. Peace out.